Hey friends, Punk here from North 44, and welcome to episode 1 of Punk's Test Kitchen, where I make value-added products from the produce that we grow on our farm in Maine. Today's episode we'll be doing garlic sea salt, garlic powder, and dried minced garlic. Start by shucking all your garlic into individual cloves. For easier peeling, give them a soak in boiling water for 1 minute. Strain and peel. Boom.
10 days later.
That might have been a little exaggeration, but it takes a long time, so you need patience and stamina. I'm going to give this a good rinse. Nice and clean. In your favorite food processor, load in just under 6 cups of peeled cloves. That's a little heavy. Add just under 1 cup of your favorite coarse sea salt. Broke my machine. Why, Gus? There it goes. After about a minute or two of noise, you should have a lovely, spreadable, salty, garlicky puree. Yeah. If you're wondering why I don't just take minced garlic and add sea salt to it, it's because then you've got garlic taste and salt taste that are separate. And if you do it like this, you've made like this absolutely awesome garlic sea salt infusion. Line your trays with parchment paper and spread. And a full hopper here usually makes 2 sheets. So start with that. See how far you get. Take out any big chunks that didn't blend. Chunk. About an 1/8 inch thick is ideal. It's not easy, but just do the best you can. We'll get the next one going. And in the meantime, keep up with that. And your next round will be ready to peel by the time you get your next sheet out. Load your trays into your dehydrator. I use an Excalibur. No, they didn't pay me to say that. I sure wish they would. Set it to 125 degrees and let it fly. Warning, the aroma is intense. I do mine out in the woodshed to spare my house from perpetual garlic stink. Check it after about 12 hours. Once it's cooled, it should snap. You know you're done when you have this nice crispy biscuit. If it's bendy, put it back in for a few more hours. Break your big salty dry garlic cookie up and smash it down in your food processor, coffee grinder, or by hand with a mortar and pestle. Damn it, I dropped a chunk on the floor. There's no 5-second rule when you're making products for sale. Don't even think about it. Throw a clean towel over the top there so it doesn't dust out the whole house. Blend it down to your desired consistency. I use a colander to remove big chunks and pulse them back down with the next batch. I don't want any chunks any bigger than those holes to get in there. All right, and we'll put that back in to grind up a little more. Hates me. I like mine to be a little coarse. This looks great. I'm ready to package. We sell these in 4-ounce mason jars. You can put it in whatever the hell you want. Fill it all the way to the top. Good bang for your buck. Our fancy schmancy labels. With 44. With a verified organic sticker, and we're Dunsky. Organic project. Oh, you suck. Got it. Damn it, it's a little crooked. While I'm at it, I'll show you how to do garlic powder and dried minced garlic. For these, I don't puree, but rather slice them thin using this blade. You can do it by hand too, but working in volume, this is way more tolerable. Spread them out on your trays. Parchment isn't essential here, but makes it easier to clean up. Try and get it down to one layer if you can. It's nearly impossible. Just do the best you can. Same temperature, 125 degrees, same time. Check after 12 hours. Let them cool down. Make sure they snap. If they're bendy, back in they go for a few more hours. And if you really want to, you can just jar these just like this if you want, but for us, the best sellers out of this batch, the saltless batch, is garlic powder and dried minced garlic. And I kind of make them both at once. Just with different size sieves. Feel like I'm panning for gold. Same processing from here on out, except I finish the powder with a finer mesh sieve. Anything that gets through this is your mat. You just stop tapping. Anything that gets through this is your garlic powder, and anything that stays behind is your dried minced. Yeah. Oh, turn your fan on from the window so you don't die of garlic powder inhalation. So we basically made 2 batches of product at once. Here's our super fine garlic powder. It's like, whoo, that's like talcum powder. It's beautiful. And we have about equal amount of minced dried. And now we package these just like we packaged the garlic sea salt. Finally, we celebrate our victory with Pabst Blue Ribbon.
Boo!
Oh, you don't like my show? Oh, I got booed. I got booed. Did you hear that?